Alright, y'all, so we're going to be installing this lace wig today. Yeah, to my jeans. I really, really like them. Let me show you. Hold on. I didn't think it was going to fit. Alright. Alright, so we're going to be installing this red lace wig. This is so cute. Now, I already know how we come in. Valentine's Day is approaching. I'm going to just go ahead and snatch this wig off and put this one on. I'm not going to cut the lace. I just want to see how it lays on my head. And it fits perfectly. This is a 30-inch. Look at that. I look like Ariel. I didn't even do it yet. I'm already see. Clock it. Alright, y'all. So, this is where it falls on me. And I'm about 5'6", so it's like waist length. The part is a 13 by 4. And yeah, let's go ahead and just get it started. Alright, so I got everything I need. I got my scissors, clip, hairspray, and my wrap. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just clip the hair back so I can get it out the way. Alright, just like that. Then I'm going to, shit, I forgot to cut the lace off in the back. Hold on. I always forget to cut the lace off in the back. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. Too. Because that shit's be annoying. Alright. Go ahead and measure the lace and cut off the excess that we don't need. We'll make sure that our ears are cut out. Like that. And I'm going to cut up at an angle like this instead of straight back because I don't want my sideburns to be exposed. So if you cut up, if there's a square right there, you cut up diagonally like that so that when you lay your hair back, you still have coverage. And you only cut off excess lace. Don't start cutting too much into the wig. Literally, it'll come right off. Okay, so that ear tab is out. This one might have to be cut a little bit more, but we'll do that later. Alright, next I'm just going to go ahead and comb the hair straight back. So that it doesn't get stuck when I'm laying the lace down. Right. And my cap is sliding back. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairline using this. We're going to let that dry down a little bit and then add some more. And it's already a little tacky. And this is the third layer I'm gonna do. Alright, so now that that's a little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and lay the lace down. And I'm gonna comb the hairs back while I press it to the lace. And then I'm gonna hurry up and add my band. And I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes. Alright, so while I wait for my lace to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I got this off Amazon. It's by a company called T&F. I don't know what that's at. I'm gonna link it down below somewhere. But it comes with 14 pairs, and I believe I paid like $8 for this. So yeah. I was gonna order some lash glue, but I decided not to because I had some leftover hair glue. Now don't come for me because I actually seen them selling this in the same kind of bottle and just labeled it lash glue. And it's probably the same. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and put these on. First, I'm gonna put the glue on my hand so I can get a little tacky, like that. Move this back. Alright. I'm gonna just pull it off and add the glue. Just like that. And this does dry down really fast, so you wanna work quickly. That's actually a lot of glue. I didn't mean to put that much glue. Go ahead and put it on. I think it's tacky. You want to make sure that you measure your lash out. You don't want it too far in because it'll be too short on the outside. And I like my lashes to kind of like come out a little bit like that. So first, I lay it in the middle like this. And then like that. And then I lay the front. And like I said, it was a lot of glue, so it kind of got on my bottom lash, but that's okay. Alright, this one is on, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other one.
Why are you fitting eyelashes on your arm?
Because I want to.
Huh?
Because I want to. Alright, my lashes are on. They're a little sloppy. I got glue everywhere, but let's move back on to the lace, okay? Alright. Where'd my comb go? Hold on. Alright, let's go ahead and comb the hair back. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard. Okay. I'm gonna cut this. Alright, so I know y'all can see the white cast around the lace. I'm just gonna take some spray on my finger. And make sure your finger is clean because you don't want any oils on it. And then you just want to press it in to the lace. Like that. We don't want to spray it directly on the hairline because too much is going to come out. We just need a little bit. I wish I had some spritz because I would add spritz at this point. But I don't have any. Alright. We don't want to get caught. Now it's time for the fun part, the baby hairs. Alright, y'all can see it's still a little bit of a cast, so I'm going to just add some makeup. And I'm going to be going in with this Black Opal powder. Just like that. I had to come over here to the mirror, but and we could just clean this up with like a rag or whatever. But we'll pull out some sideburns. Just like that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and straighten so that they can lay a little flatter. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm gonna take this and just, I want them kind of long, so I'm gonna keep them like that. I don't even know if I want to do baby hairs around this part, so I think I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Just like that. I'm gonna do like a, let's see if I can do another part. It's already parted. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple middle part like this. I don't want any baby hairs. I might do that later on, but for right now, this is what it's looking like. And I will leave the link down below to this wig if you guys want it.